I am wait for you. Is it correct? Absolutely not. The correct is that I am waiting for you. I am swim in the river. Is it correct? Absolutely not. The correct is that I am swimming in the river. I was eat rice. Is it correct? Absolutely not. The correct is that I was eating rice. There, pull the door. Is it correct? Absolutely not. The correct is that they are pulling the door. They were push the window. Is it correct? Absolutely not. The correct is that they were pushing the window. They were talk to themselves. Is it correct? Absolutely not. The correct is that they were talking to themselves. Remember that after helping verbs, am, is, are, was, were, plus verb plus ing. This time we are play football. Is it correct or not? Let me know in the comment box.